And we do this kind of funny, just like step out, right? So we just step out and begin this mix. So the way to think about it, maybe I'll face Kathy first. So the way to think about it, I'm gonna step to the left first. To step out, my left hand is going in that direction, right? It's a counterclockwise direction, right? From in to out. And my right hand is going opposite, right? So when this one's forward, that one's back. So if I were to just look at my trunk is mixing, and my hands are just following, right? So one's kind of over the other one, as far as one being towards the sea of the sky and the other towards the ground. Now, once you understand the mechanics of it, you just find it on your own. Don't try to copy me exactly, right? It happens because you weight shift in your feet. And you're doing it off to that left side. So I'm turned a bit to the left. I'm looking left. There's more compression on the left side. Now, this hand is pointing up to the ceiling. This hand is pointing down to the earth. What's going to happen is that they're going to stay in their direction, right? And then switch. And I come back. You know, sometimes you might see me draw back something like that, or you might see me draw back something like this. Doesn't really matter, but I'm going to come back to the center.
What do you mean switch?
They're going to switch directions. So let me just do it. They're going to switch the direction that they're facing, either earth or sky. Okay, so let's just do it. Mixing. It's I don't know, 3, 4, 5 times. It doesn't really matter. Then, remember? Yeah. Then you get yourself back there by shifting, gathering, whatever it is that you do. You come back here to the center, and yeah, it's kind of a solid like step that's definitive that says, okay, now we're going this way. Now, before I'm going to do the push up to the sky and down to the earth, I do an inhale, because there's an exhale on the sort of end of that movement, right? So I'm inhaling, and I'm going to turn and look that way, the way that I'm going. Drawing back, however I get there. You'll see me do different things. Step and mix. So it goes 3 times to each side. It will come a bit of a compression that will come back from that. Now I get back to the center. Last one. Step out. Drop. Back to the center. So that's the first part of it. Now, the second, so it's 3 times each way. The second
What I
part.
saw was that your left hand's always on the bottom on this part.
Yes.
And then when you went up,
Then it's switched.
yes, but sometimes you're using your right hand, sometimes you're using your left hand.
So let's see, from this side.
Right hand. Okay. that's down.
Yes, for the one that's up.
Mhm.
Then over here, the left hand's on the bottom.
Okay,
And it'll switch.
makes sense.
Okay, so then the next part, now you're gonna draw the triple burner. So the triple burner, another well, it is the definition of the triple burner. The triple burner are the 5 solid organs together. There's an upper burner, a middle burner, and a lower burner. The upper are the upper organs, heart and lung. The middle are the middle organs, liver and spleen. And the lower is the lower organ, solid organ, the kidney. Okay? So for the drawing of it, you bring the feet together. And in all this, everything happens 3 times. This happens 1, I don't know why, it doesn't matter. You can do it 3, it doesn't matter. But you're gonna draw it, come up, and you're gonna draw the upper burner. And that means you draw it physically, but inside your mind, you connect the heart and the lung. Now inside your mind, you connect the liver and the spleen, the middle burner. And then you connect the kidney. And it comes left over right. And the sound she, XI, she. And you could do it 3 times in the form, for whatever reason, it goes 1, I don't know why. If you're gonna do it again, then you just do it again. If you, or, I mean, you could come up and draw it again. It's really pretty open. I think it's done 1 time because it's kind of like the icing on the cake, and it's the connecting thing. It's not one of the solid organs.
It's the graduation.
It's the graduation. It's the finalization. Okay, so triple burner. The Sanjiao, the 5 solid organs together, known as a triple burner. The mixing, holding up heaven and earth, 3 times each way. Then the drawing, literal, upper, middle, lower. It comes out, it's an undulation, right? It comes out of here, comes to the center exactly, as Judith is doing it. And then the sound, she.